Pontiac's 1982 J2000 Coupe is one of several value leaders in today's automotive marketplace. And a comparison with the 1981 Toyota Celica ST provides a good idea of how the J2000 Coupe rates against its competition. Both models offer power front disc brakes, McPherson strut suspension, and a front stabilizer bar. But the Pontiac also features front-wheel drive. Pontiac's wheelbase is 2.8 inches longer than Celica, but the J2000's exterior length is a half-foot shorter, and you may find this helpful in tight driving situations. And unlike the J2000, which offers a choice of cloth or vinyl trim, Celica's reclining bucket seats are only available in vinyl. The J2000 is roomier as well, with an EPA passenger index of 84 cubic feet, 8 cubic feet more than Celica. And Delco AM radio, which may be deleted for credit, is a J2000 feature not standard in the Toyota. A locking fuel filler door, also standard on the J2000, is extra cost for the Celica. And when it comes to cargo area, Pontiac is way out in front, offering 12.6 cubic feet, almost 4 cubic feet more than Toyota Celica ST. Both feature economical 4-cylinder engines and manual transmissions, with the J2000 also offering valuable long-term maintenance and warranty benefits such as tune-ups recommended only once every 30,000 miles, twice as far between each tune-up as the 15,000-mile interval recommended for Celica, and Pontiac's Power Protection Plus, a limited warranty on J2000's powertrain beyond the 12-12 limited warranty period, is a benefit that Toyota Celica ST does not offer. Ask your Pontiac salesperson for full details about this valuable warranty, as well as for the latest EPA mileage estimates for the 1982 J2000 and all of its competitors. And compare price. You'll discover that the economy, comfort, features, and long-term value of Pontiac's 1982 J2000 Coupe makes it a solid winner against any small coupe on the market. Several manufacturers offer upper-level coupes comparable to Pontiac's 1982 J2000 LE. And a comparison with the 1981 two-door Honda Prelude provides a good idea of how the J2000 LE rates against its competition. Both offer impressive engineering, with front-wheel drive, McPherson strut suspension, rack and pinion steering, and power front disc brakes standard for each. Like Pontiac, Honda provides a neatly styled interior, featuring fully reclining bucket seats. However, vinyl trim, available at no extra cost for J2000 LE, is not offered in the Prelude. For added driving pleasure, each offers a host of radio options. But a Delco AM radio with fixed mast antenna, extra cost items in the Prelude are standard J2000 LE features. The J2000 LE also holds a definite advantage in comfort, with an EPA passenger volume index of 84 cubic feet, 12 cubic feet more than Prelude. And rear seat passengers in the J2000 LE will enjoy the added convenience of swing-out rear quarter windows, a special Pontiac feature not offered by Honda. The 1982 J2000 LE provides greater luggage capacity as well, a full 12.6 cubic feet, as compared to only 9 in the Honda Prelude. Both models feature economical 4-cylinder engines and manual transmissions. However, the 1982 J2000 LE also features Pontiac's Power Protection Plus, a limited warranty on J2000's powertrain beyond the 12-12 limited warranty period. Ask your Pontiac salesperson for full details about this valuable warranty, as well as for the latest EPA mileage estimates for the 1982 J2000 LE and all of its competitors. And compare price. you'll discover that the economy, comfort, features, and long-term value of Pontiac's 1982 J2000 LE make it a solid winner against any competitor. Several manufacturers offer four-door sedans comparable to Pontiac's 1982 J2000 LE. Perhaps Honda is Pontiac's toughest competitor, and a comparison with the four-door 1981 Accord offers a good idea of how the J2000 LE rates. Both models feature an impressive list of standard equipment, including front-wheel drive, rack and pinion steering, and power front disc brakes. Each benefits from a small exterior size as well, but J2000 LE's wheelbase is 7.5 inches longer, and you may prefer the Pontiac ride it offers. Like the J2000 LE, Accord features a neatly styled interior with reclining bucket seats. However, only cloth trim is standard, and vinyl is not available in the Honda. The J2000 LE holds an edge in comfort as well, with its EPA passenger compartment index rating of 91 cubic feet, 10 cubic feet more than that for Accord. And Pontiac also provides 3 cubic feet more trunk space than Honda Accord. Always an important consideration when buying a small car. While styling is a matter of personal taste, notice how dual rectangular headlamps on the 1982 J2000 LE give it a distinctive Pontiac appearance not evident with the Honda Accord. Both models feature economical four-cylinder engines and manual transmissions. However, the 1982 J2000 LE also features Pontiac's Power Protection Plus, a limited warranty on J2000's powertrain beyond the 12-12 limited warranty period. Ask your Pontiac salesperson for full details about this valuable warranty, as well as for the latest EPA mileage estimates for the 1982 J2000 LE and all of its competitors. And compare price. You'll discover that the combination of economy, comfort, features, and long-term value of Pontiac's 1982 J2000 LE make it a solid winner against any competitor. There are several small sedans offering economical four-door transportation, and a comparison with the 1981 Toyota Corona Luxury Edition offers a good idea about how Pontiac's J2000 rates against the competition. Both feature McPherson strut suspension and power front disc brakes, but the front-wheel drive and a front stabilizer bar are also standard on the J2000, and you may prefer these features over Toyota's rear-wheel drive Corona. Although Pontiac's wheelbase is 1.8 inches longer, the J2000 is over 5 inches shorter than the Corona, something you may find helpful when maneuvering into tight parking spaces. Like the J2000, Toyota's Luxury Edition Corona offers reclining bucket seats with center console. However, only cloth trim is standard in the Toyota, and vinyl is not even available. The J2000 is roomier as well, with an EPA passenger index rating of 91 cubic feet, 11 cubic feet more than Toyota. J2000 also provides more luggage space, 13.5 cubic feet as opposed to Corona's 11. And this is always an important yardstick of comparison when looking at the practicality of small car sedans. Something else which may interest you is Pontiac's longer list of available options, including wide rocker panel, wheel opening, and distinctive black windshield reveal moldings, which add a special touch. Both models feature economical four-cylinder engines and manual transmissions. However, the 1982 J2000 also features Pontiac's Power Protection Plus, a limited warranty on J2000's powertrain beyond the 12-12 limited warranty period. Ask your Pontiac salesperson for full details about this valuable warranty, as well as for the latest EPA mileage estimates for the 1982 J2000 sedan and all of its competitors, and compare price. You'll discover that the comfort, features, styling, and long-term value of Pontiac's 1982 J2000 make it a solid winner against any four-door small car on the market. Pontiac's 1982 J2000 hatchback has plenty of competition, and a comparison with Ford's 1981 Mustang Ghia provides a good idea on how Pontiac rates against its competition. Whether in the wide open spaces or tight driving situations, Pontiac's J2000 hatchback is almost 10 inches shorter for an edge in maneuverability over the Mustang Ghia. A center console and cloth-trimmed bucket seats are extra cost in the Ghia as well. There's impressive passenger roominess and comfort in the J2000 hatchback, which provides an EPA interior volume index of 84 cubic feet. The J2000 also offers greater utility than Ghia, with 34.5 cubic feet of cargo space available when both rear seats are folded down. Almost 2 cubic feet more than provided by Mustang Ghia. Just as important as utility is the economy each offers, and both models feature a standard 4-cylinder engine with 4-speed manual transmission. But front-wheel drive and power front disc brakes are a few important J2000 features not standard on Ford's rear-wheel drive Mustang Ghia. Also, J2000's 4-speed manual transmission features overdrive, which helps provide impressive fuel economy. Ask your Pontiac salesperson for the latest EPA mileage estimates for the 1982 J2000 hatchback and all of its competitors, and compare price. The combination of economy, comfort, features, and utility in Pontiac's 1982 J2000 hatchback make it a solid finisher against any hatchback on the market. Pontiac's 1982 J2000 SE hatchback has some good competitors, and a comparison with Datsun's 1981 200 SX offers a good idea about how the J2000 SE rates against its competition. J2000's wheelbase is 6.7 inches longer than Datsun's, although its overall length is 7 inches shorter. Considering this and Pontiac's front-wheel drive, you may find the ride of J2000 SE more to your liking. Both offer plenty of room up front, but the J2000 features higher seat backs and a choice of cloth or vinyl trim, whereas Datsun's low-back buckets are available in cloth only. The EPA rates total passenger roominess at 84 cubic feet for the J2000, versus only 74 for the 200 SX. The big difference is in the rear seat, where Pontiac provides 7.9 inches more legroom and 10 inches more hip room than Datsun, something every family should consider when shopping a competitor. J2000 SE's cargo area is larger too, providing 34.5 cubic feet with the rear seat down, almost 15 cubic feet more than Datsun 200 SX, which provides only 19.6 cubic feet. Although overall appearance is a matter of personal taste, The finely detailed exterior trim on J2000 SE, extra cost for the Datsun, is a good example of the special flair Pontiac incorporates into J2000 SE's hatchback styling. Of course, economy is a primary concern, and both hatchbacks feature economical four-cylinder engines and manual transmissions. However, the 1982 J2000 SE also features Pontiac's Power Protection Plus, a limited warranty on J2000's powertrain beyond the 12-12 limited warranty period. Ask your Pontiac salesperson for full details about this valuable warranty, as well as for the latest EPA mileage estimates for the 1982 J2000 SE and all of its competitors, and compare price. With all that it offers, comfort, utility, economy, styling, and long-term value, Pontiac's 1982 J2000 SE is a sure bargain in today's competitive hatchback market. Pontiac's 1982 J2000 Wagon is one of few makes providing four-door wagon utility in today's small car market. Ford's 1981 Escort GL liftback wagon is another, and a comparison of the two provides a good idea about how Pontiac's J2000 wagon rates against its toughest competition. Both feature front-wheel drive, McPherson strut suspension, and rack and pinion steering. But power front disc brakes, a standard J2000 feature, cost extra on the Ford. In fact, J2000 offers several items not standard on Escort's GL model, including a rear air deflector and locking fuel filler door, as well as side window defoggers and a convenient trip odometer. Benefits which help make Pontiac's 1982 J2000 wagon an impressive leader in value. Ford's interior is styled somewhat similar to J2000's, with reclining bucket seats in cloth or vinyl. But the J2000 offers more front head, leg, and shoulder room, as well as more rear head, shoulder, and hip room for passenger comfort that helps make this Pontiac fun to drive. Pontiac J2000 also provides more cargo area, 40 cubic feet, as opposed to only 30 in the Escort with the rear seats up, and over 2.5 cubic feet more when the rear seat is folded down. The Escort and J2000 wagons both feature a four-cylinder engine with 4-speed manual overdrive transmission for impressive economy. Ask your Pontiac salesperson about the latest EPA mileage estimates for the 1982 J2000 wagon and all of its competitors, and compare price. With the economy, comfort, features, and utility Pontiac's 1982 J2000 four-door wagon offers, it's a strong finisher against any small wagon on the market.